Hello, my name is Joshua and welcome to the artofmoneysavings.com to this video about how to save money with Starling Bank. Now, you can save money with whatever bank account you use, of course, but I wanted to draw upon my own experiences in the hope that maybe this gives you some encouragement and some tips, so do stay tuned. So do you find yourself having a plan when it comes to savings? Well, up until about 2 years ago, I kind of was just winging it a lot, and in fairness, I had quite a lot of success with that. I was living below my means, but looking back, I realised that actually there was a lot of discretional spending, so coffees and day-to-day things that I was spending hundreds upon thousands of pounds on. And if I had a budget, I would have found myself probably not doing that. So I think we should all be budgeting in some way. Of course, there's lots of different ways to do it, but I'm going to speak about the way that works for me today. And you have to realise that, particularly in coronavirus times, that budgeting is probably more important than ever. And I think that's been a lesson that we've all learnt. So this version of budgeting may not work for you, but I encourage you to go and look at some of the other material on YouTube and on Instagram, the debt-free community. So of course we all know that our income is our biggest wealth building tool, as Dave Ramsey says. And if we're going to use this tool most efficiently, then we should be budgeting. And my way of budgeting is to break down everything into percentages. And the reason for doing this is because my income is variable. So I could have £100 this month and £10,000 the next month. It's absolutely crazy. And what I love about the percentages is it means that I am saving across all categories for the entire year. So it doesn't matter if I earn a small amount or a high amount. Every account is being paid into. And I was just not addressing this at all in the past, and it kind of blew my mind when I thought, oh yeah, I was really not structured. I wasn't putting my 20% away for tax, and I could have got caught out. So I was always living below my means, but it's a slippery slope. And what budgeting does is it gives you the keys to the car, and you're simply in the driving seat, and you get to say where that money goes. What I also love about budgeting is I feel much less guilty about spending money on particular items now. So if there is something that's quite a frivolous or elegant or lavish purchase, if that's something that's been budgeted for, then there is no guilt in me spending that money because I've put that money aside for X amount of weeks or months. And I didn't have that sense of satisfaction before. I knew that I was winging it and that I didn't have a plan. So that is one of the big encouragements about budgeting. And I think it's a misconception as well. We think of budgeting as tying us down and chains to our hands. But no, budgeting actually gives us more freedom and control. So stop thinking negatively about budgeting and think about it in a positive way. Now, the pandemic has been really hard for me because I've lost my income from the last 6 months almost entirely, and it makes me realise big time that these percentages have really come to save my life, because I budgeted for emergencies, I budgeted for my 3 to 6 months of expenses, all of these other things. I budgeted in advance for my car breakdown, my car insurance, Christmas. And I am simply prepared for these things that I know that are going to happen. So the sinking funds in place, all ready to go, and it's been a real lesson and reminder that these budgeting tools are very important. So the main problem for me is cash flow. I have lost nearly all of my income in what I'm trained in. So therefore, I'm now spending my time thinking about lots of different side hustles, working online, all of those types of things. But that's never going to replace my main income. And I have to be realistic about that fact. And in the meantime, it's a strange situation because I'm kind of waiting for things to reopen in the hope that I can go back to working in what I'm trained in. But maybe that won't happen, and that is at the back of my mind. Going back to this Dave Ramsey quote, your income is your biggest wealth building tool. Well, if you don't have an income, how are you going to build wealth? How are you going to prepare for the future? How are you going to stay living below your means? And at the moment, I've saved enough to know that I'm prepared, I'm not under pressure. But that could easily change, and it's important to keep aware of that, keep thinking into the future. And budgeting helps you do that. It keeps you aware of what's coming in, what's going out. So let's become a little bit more Starling focused here, and I absolutely love Starling and its app, the way you're able to have all of these saving pots. I have a lot of saving pots, and these personalized pictures, it keeps you on track and it keeps it personalized. Love it. So let's look at my app, and here we have 1% at Christmas, electronics, investments, car insurance, health insurance, public service, that's for charity and various things. So all of the information there is very clearly displayed. And when, I mean, look, for example, Christmas is £26. Now, I was saving for Christmas back in March 2020. I haven't had a lot of income coming in recently. So I know that Christmas this year, unless I start earning income immediately, maybe it's going to be a little bit tight. And that's an incentive, isn't it? To think, right, you need to get more income coming in. How are you going to do it? Get out there, do things. And that's the biggest thing for me at the moment, is how can I do that? What am I supposed to be doing? Do I deliver pizzas in the evening? Do I be content with my side hustles, knowing that it's going to take a little bit of time to grow and develop them? But these are all questions that come from the budget and come from the information of Starling. It gives you all of the information here. It's just in your hands. And then you're like, right, this is factual. And sometimes it's scary, isn't it, to look at this information and to go, I don't like that. It's going down too quickly. But that information is factual. That's what it is. And when we read that and say, hey, okay, I can do something with this information. It's going to be hard work, but what can I do? And that's where I'm finding myself right now is life is uncertain. Life is tricky. But nevertheless, I can do something to figure this out. I can have the can-do mentality. There's going to be record unemployment coming in October, I'm imagining, when people are coming off the furlough scheme. So how can I be unique? How can I be an individual? How can I get money coming in the bank account? And there are so many different ways that you can do that. I mean, I've just sold a couple of things on Facebook Market this week. You know, it all adds up, doesn't it? All adds up. Being proactive has been a very big part of my mentality during the lockdown, and it's been something that's helped really carry me through. I think the days that I sit on the sofa and I kind of hide away from the world are the days where I feel less empowered and less able to do something productive. So all of these things, the YouTube channel, the side hustles, they all help me feeling that I have a can-do attitude. I am in control of my budget. No one else is going to do it for me. And that is good news. You, right there, you are in the driver's seat. You have the power to increase your income. You have the power to budget efficiently, to spend money where you feel it's necessary. And that's what I love about budgeting. It gives us permission to spend money. Of course, the app with Starling helps us to go back as well, so you can look at your statements or look at the analytics, see what you've spent on electronics, see what you've spent on shopping. Do some digging. Where are you spending too much money? Where could you save a little bit more? All of this information is at your fingertips, and Starling does all of the work for you. So be thankful that we have this app. Not everyone has apps like Starling, and so I feel particularly lucky that a lot of the work is already done for you. Don't just do what I do. Find what works for you. There's thousands, hundreds and thousands of different ways of budgeting. So go and find something that works for you. Personal finance is personal after all. Thank you for tuning in to theartofmoneysaving.com. My name is Joshua. Look forward to seeing you next time, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.
Toodle pip.